Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and add rental car to booking on Expedia? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for Expedia. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, as you can see, there are a lot of options that you can get here. So stays, flights, cars, packages, things to do, and even cruises. So all you need to do is go ahead and click on the third one, which is going to be cars, which is pretty self-explanatory. You can get rental cars or airport transportation as well. So simply go ahead and click on rental cars, go ahead and click on pickup and select wherever you want your pickup location. You can also go ahead and select your drop-off location, go ahead and select your date, your pickup time and your drop-off time exactly, and simply go ahead and click on search. Once you've done that, a bunch of lists of cars are going to go ahead and pop up right over here. So let me just go ahead and show it to you. As you can see, mid-size SUV, this is BYD, this is Hyundai Venue, and a lot more. As you can see, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on reserve, add your payment portal, and simply that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next